Hey there, welcome to our patio. I'm Jenny and this is Casey and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we are bringing some heat to the grill.
Yes, we are. We are making grilled bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers.
Yum.
I love everything about that.
Right.
Name.
It's a perfect sentence.
Yes.
All right, so let's get started on our filling for these poppers. So we have a little bit of cream cheese in this bowl, and I'm just going to add some shredded cheddar cheese. And then we have some finely chopped green onion. So a lot of really great flavors in here.
Yes.
And garlic powder.
Yum.
And give that a good stir.
All right, so the other side of our table, we have our jalapenos. So what we've done is we've taken just whole jalapenos and cut them in half lengthwise, and then scooped out the seeds and the ribs. So those will be nice and ready to fill. And one thing we wanted to mention is the jalapenos that we have today are a little bit bigger. Sometimes you might get smaller ones, so it just kind of depends, but the filling might be a little too much, might not be quite enough, so you'll kind of just have to adjust that depending on how big the jalapenos are when you get them, but they taste great either way, so
yeah,
you don't have to worry about that.
And if you run out of filling, still wrap it in bacon and
There you go.
grill
Yep.
it up.
Yep, still would be a delicious appetizer either way.
All right, I think that's pretty good.
Awesome. So I will get started then on filling these. And I'll pass them off to you then.
Perfect. So as Casey fills these, I'm going to go ahead and wrap them in bacon. I don't know, kind of like a mummy.
Yes.
And what we want to do is make sure that the cheese, that filling is sealed in there by the bacon, because we don't want any of it to leak out on the grill, because that would be sad.
Yes, it happened during testing, which was a really sad day, but again, it still tastes great. So.
Yes. I'm just going to stick a toothpick in here to keep that bacon in place. And I did soak these toothpicks in water for a little bit so they won't catch on fire on the grill.
Yes, very important.
All right, so we have filled as many jalapenos as we can.
It didn't quite go as far as we anticipated.
That's okay. It'll still be delicious.
Yes.
So I've placed them face down on this cookie sheet just to make it easier for Casey to transfer them onto the grill. So we're actually going to grill them on medium heat face down first before the cheese has too much time to melt, because we don't want to lose any of that cheesy goodness that's on the inside. So these will grill for about 5 to 7 minutes face down, and then we'll flip them and then finish grilling them. Oh, yum.
Oh my gosh, look at those. All right, so we've moved them around a little bit just to get a little bit more even cooking. So now we're going to flip them. Oh my gosh, look at that.
It looks so good.
Yes. We're going to flip them, cook the other side for another about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the bacon is done to your liking. So we'll let those cook. All right. Oh my gosh. Look
Beautiful.
At these. Oh, look at all that cheese coming out.
Check out that ooze.
All right. Let's try this one. I'll
Beautiful.
get the rest of them here.
So this is why we wanted to grill it cut side down first.
Yes.
Because if we had done it the other way around, all of this beautiful cheese that you see that's like coming out right now, it would be at the bottom of the grill.
Yes.
Which is super sad.
It's very sad. Kind of a waste, but yeah. So we got. At least we saved as much as we could.
Yeah. So we did kind of move them around on the grill because the bacon is fatty, so it does drip and then flames up. So
yes, safety-wise.
Safety-wise, carefully move them on the grill.
Right. And we were talking about some of the substitutions you could do with this. If you want it, if you didn't want as much heat, you could use like those little sweet peppers, cut those in half and do the same thing. We really like the heat, so we like these. But you could certainly try that.
Yeah.
You could do like turkey bacon.
Stuff it with, pepper jack cheese would be good in here.
Oh, that would be amazing.
More heat.
Yes. Try that and let us know how that is.
Yeah.
'Cause that sounds amazing. All right. Should we give this one a try?
I think so.
All right. I think I might just try some of this. I'll get a little jalapeno with the stuffing. Oh my gosh.
This is so good.
This is amazing. This would, like, I mean, this is obviously a very good appetizer, but, like, I would make this into a meal.
Yeah, this is all of mine.
Yeah. Oh, shoot.
You're on your own.
Okay, I'll just go make more, I guess.
It's really, really good. And that cream cheese filling kind of tames the heat
Yes.
from the pepper.
Yes.
So it's not too overwhelming.
Right. It's super balanced.
Yeah.
And delicious.
It is really good.
I love this.
Well, good job.
Thanks.
Well, we hope you get your grilled pop-in tonight.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit bestfoods.com.